Now, let me ask the question to Samajwadi Party. Is this the dilemma, Abbas Haider, in front of the Samajwadi Party as well? The same secular hardline that you have been asked to take by parties like the IUML are saying to the Congress, other Muslim groups are saying to the Samajwadi Party.
No, Padmaja, first of all, I'm surprised that how can you let somebody spread fake news on your TV show? Some gentleman was talking about an internal survey of Samajwadi Party. I'm sitting here, I'm a spokesperson of Samajwadi Party. I don't know about anything about the survey, and he was telling something about that. So please don't let people spread fake news on your channel. First of all,
I'm giving you the chance to rebut. Specifically, that's
what
why
the other party or the other person is going to do. Yeah, no, you're getting to me at the end of the show. Hardly 2 minutes left. You should have let me at the same moment. You should have at least let me respond to that person, but you didn't let me. Anyways, so I'm coming back to your question. See, the problem here is, first of all, Samajwadi Party has not received any official invitation from the Bharatiya Janata Party or the trust which is being governed by the government. Second thing, I don't think there is an issue with the mandir inauguration or the mandir which is being built over there. It has been done after the judgment of the Honorable Apex Court of the country, and it has been accepted by every citizen. There was dispute between two parties prior to the decision, but since the decision was been made by the Supreme Court, there has been no differences. There have been no confusion about what's going to happen over there. So I don't think there is an issue at all. This has been,
because we spoke to a few people. We spoke to a few people, and I want to just hold on a second. I want to just play out for you reactions of people who have been invited to the consecration ceremony. So if you're given an invitation and you're planning to go, you will meet some of these car sevaks whose family members have been called. I think JVC wants to quickly respond to you. Then please go on. Yes, JVC.
Sunday Guardian, it is available on the net. November 19, 2023 by Roshar Bashir is the person who has written this article. And the Samajwadi Party, when asked about the survey, Samajwadi spokesperson Kirti Nanda put up a brave face and told the Sunday Guardian, one thing is clear in Uttar Pradesh, if there is a party that can defeat the BJP in the state, it is ASP. But there is an article which has come. I've got the proof with me. I've got the proof with me. It is an article. I have sent the link. And I can send you the link also, my dear friend. I am not talking out of the blue. I've got the data with me. I've got the record with me, and based on that, I'm saying.
Okay, you are Sunday Guardian is claiming Abbas Haider has denied it. But I want you to listen to one man who is also going to be present there at the consecration ceremony. You are saying there is no dispute, there is no problem anymore. But for these families of car sevaks, those memories are not erased yet. Listen.
हमारे पिताजी की दुकान थी, यहाँ पर मीठे की दुकान थी, मिठाई उठाई थी, चाय की दुकान थी। अच्छा। उस समय 5 साल के थे और हमारे पिताजी उस समय विश्व हिंदू परिषद और कई संगठनों ने आह्वान पर 30 अक्टूबर को वहाँ का सेवा होने का वाला था। जगह जगह बाहर से लोग आ रहे थे और उस समय मुलायम सिंह यादव ने यहाँ पर कर्फ्यू लगा दिया था और तब भी कर्फ्यू को बचाते बचाते सब हजारों कार सेवक यहाँ पर आ गए थे। पिताजी भी हमारे यहाँ पर सभी कार सेवकों को तैयार किए थे। वहाँ पर बहुत सारे कार सेवक पहुँच गए थे और वहाँ पर झंडा वंडा फहराएं। इतने में मुलायम सिंह यादव की सरकार थी, वो आए हेलीकॉप्टर से। हेलीकॉप्टर पर पहले हरा बत्ती जल रहा था, बाद में लाल बत्ती जलने लगा और फायरिंग शुरू हो गई। उस फायरिंग में बहुत से कार सेवक मारे गए, हमारे पिताजी को भी गोली लगी थी। जितने भी कार सेवक बलिदान हुए हैं उनका बलिदान सार्थक हो गया और जिस काम के लिए पिताजी हमारे गए थे वो काम सार्थक हो गया। इससे बड़ी खुशी की बात और क्या होती जी।
रिस्पॉन्ड मिस्टर अब्बास हैदर।
Padmaja, just ask an aviation expert what he is talking about. Hara batti, lal batti, helicopter. What is this, Padmaja? What is this? I'm saying if there is it is the duty of the person who's sitting at the helm of the administration to follow Raj Dharma. This is somebody who's sitting at the helm of the administration should do, and that was being done at that time. And now the apex court had made a decision. Why are you making an issue out of it? There is no issue at all. Everybody is happy. Everybody has accepted that decision. The mandir has been constructed. The Bharatiya Janata Party is just trying to use this as a political weapon. They want to politicize this issue.
Everyone is happy. Interesting. I wonder if Tala Rashadi wants to respond to that. Samajwadi Party is happy that the Ram Mandir is being built in Ayodhya. Tala Rashadi.
Yes, they have full right to be happy. That's their belief. We don't care about that. But
yes, go on, Tala.
yes, that's their right. Yeah, they can be happy, they can be angry, they can be anything, whatever they have faith. But the Muslims, the 20% Muslims of India are looking. They want to see the true face of each and every so-called secular parties. They have to take. Mulayam Singh Yadav took a stand. The Samajwadi Party should stand with the stand of Mulayam Singh Yadav. They are shifting their stand. That's their own ideology. That's their own party policy. But the Muslims of India, the people, the citizens of India who believe in the Constitution of India, they are looking.
Okay, Abbas Haider.
Any sort of appeasement on either side. They want the weaker section of the society to grow and develop. This is what they want. They don't want political. They should not be made political weapon. That is the Muslim of the country want.
Okay,
they want their development. That's what they want.
That is great. If that
every
actually
Muslim of
is
this
the
country
mindset of
respect
every
the court.
party, it is wonderful.
They respect the
Final word, Guru
Constitution.
Prakash wants to respond. Yes, Guru Prakash.
No, I think I heard the word weaker section of the society, and let me remind and educate my friends that the entire Ram temple project is being run by Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Nyas. And what weaker section, according to you? There is one seat reserved in this Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Nyas. Do you know who is it reserved for? For a Dalit, for a scheduled caste person, one seat is reserved in the Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Nyas. Kameshwar Chaupal from Bihar is a member. For the weaker section, a bigger Valmiki temple is also coming in the Ram temple premises. For the weaker section that you say, Ram Nami Samaj, Kabir Samaj, Ravidas Samaj will participate in tunes of lakhs in the Ram temple consecration. You have, sir, with all due respect, no right to speak on behalf of weaker section of society. You have no right to speak on behalf of weaker section of society. You are the same people. You are, because now you cannot listen to it. Sach pachta nahi hai aapko. Sach pachta nahi hai. We live in a democracy. India is run by constitution. India is not run by Sharia. India is run by constitution. यहाँ सुनना होगा आपको. भारत संविधान से चलता है, शरिया से नहीं चलता है. सुनिए आप, शांत रहिए आप.
आपको भी सुनना होगा. आपको
शरिया से नहीं चलता है. बोलते हैं तो लोग सुनते हैं, तो आपको भी सुनना पड़ेगा. सुनने का आदत डालो आप. सुनने का आदत डालो.
भूमि पूजन.
सुनने का आदत डालो आप.
आप भी आदत डाल लीजिए. आप भी आदत डालिए. Does not mean if you are sitting at the government you can say anything.
Sir, you have to be
can talk about anything.
patient. सुनने की आदत
One at a time,
डालिए.
please. Yes, finish your point, Guru Prakash.
लोकतंत्र है, यहाँ शरिया नहीं है. संविधान है, शरिया नहीं है.
संविधान को आप मानते कहाँ हैं? आप संविधान को मानते कहाँ हैं? Do you respect the constitution? You want to change the constitution?
हम नहीं मानते तो आप
respect the constitution.
संविधान है यहाँ सर, शरिया नहीं है. अच्छा,
कहाँ मानते हैं आप संविधान को? कब संविधान को माना है आपने? आप तो देश के झंडे का सम्मान नहीं करते थे. आपके आरएसएस के हेडक्वार्टर पे तो देश का झंडा तक नहीं फहराया गया.
देश में संविधान है, देश संविधान से चलेगा, आपके शरिया से नहीं चलेगा.
अरे आपने देश के संविधान का कहाँ सम्मान किया है?
संविधान से चलेगा.
आपने तो कहा कि
Anyone who claims to speak in the name of the constitution should also practice the correct definition of secularism, not one which is decided by your own political exigencies. And finally, speak at least on their behalf about where they stand vis-a-vis the Ram Mandir as of today. Everyone in India is watching.